I used this African black soap to clear acne and brighten my skin in 7 days. I had acne, dark spot, and uneven skin tone, and I honestly didn't expect this result. If you have acne, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone, watch this before you try anything else. The best part, no pounding, and I am not just showing you the African black soap making at home. I am not just showing you natural soap making at home. I show you how to clear acne and pimples naturally and how to reduce dark spot on face naturally. You will never have acne or pimples or dark spots again. Welcome to Rachel at Her Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. You need a stainless steel container, not rubber, not aluminium, stainless steel. In there, I put in the black soap base. Without that, you cannot make black soap. Black soap is an all-natural plant-based cleanser that has antibacterial properties. I showed in the Ghana white ball soap. This will boost the ladder of your black soap. After shredding that in, the next ingredient I'm going to put in would be ozone soap. This will also boost the ladder of your black soap. I put that in the double boiler and melted. Our black soap is finally melted and I'm going to mix that with a wooden spatula. I would advise you to use the wooden spatula too. I waited for it to cool a little bit and I add the green whitening soap. This is anti-stretch marks. The reason is because it doesn't like heat, so I had to wait for it to cool a little bit. The next one is anti-pimple soap, which has antibacterial properties. As the name implies, it is an anti-pimple soap and it is mostly used for acne treatment. I mix all of that together to make sure this soap also melts. You have to put it when the black soap base is still a bit hot. Now comes the skin transforming herbal blends, which is my favorite part. I put in the camwood powder, which fights acne, dark spot, fights acne and eczema. I added sandalwood powder to soothe irritation and combat acne causing bacteria. I added cinnamon to boost glow. I added neem to kill the acne-causing bacteria, and I added oat to soothe inflammation, lock in moisture, and provide gentle exfoliation. If you see I am generous with oat, I don't play with oat. I added moringa for anti-aging and the antioxidant boost. I added orange peel powder to fade dark spot and boost collagen. Then I added activated charcoal for deep pore detox. Next, I added sulfur. Sulfur dry acne and prevent reaction. I added aloe powder for hydration, baobab for collagen production. Now the skin nourishing phase. I added shea butter for barrier repair, vegetable glycine for hydration and soft skin. This black soap is how to remove acne and pimples and how to get rid of dark spot. You'll be shocked. Next, I added a pinch of turmeric to reduce hyperpigmentation. Then I added aloe vera juice to calm acne and redness. Next, I added palm kernel oil to reduce appearance of stretch marks and soothe inflammation like eczema and psoriasis. Now I add palm oil itself for its high content of vitamin E. I added honey for its antibacterial properties and its glow boosting properties. If you can see, I'm very generous with the honey. Honey is one of the best things you can use for your skin. Now I add neem oil, which is my favorite acne treatment and soothes irritation. And now I add vitamin E oil, which neutralizes free radicals. And now it is time for the real work. It's time to mix all of these ingredients together, the liquid ingredient, the powdered ingredient, the soap itself. This is time to do the work to make sure all of these beautiful ingredients incorporate together. You have to do this. We're talking about uniformity. These are beautiful botanical powders, botanical soaps, botanical oils, everything is, it's healthy, it's natural skincare. So it is time to marry it together. When you do it well, you will enjoy it. All you need is 7 days and you'll be shocked how this soap will transform your skin. I was dealing with acne, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. Nothing I tried ever worked. Then I decided to take the health of my skin into my own hands, and that's when I bedded this African black soap. And when I saw the result, honestly, black soap making became one of my favorite things to formulate. So it seems the bowl is too small, so I'm going to transfer that into a bigger bowl. So you can decide to reduce the quantities of oils that I put. I did this because someone that ordered that that's exactly what she wanted. Oils will make your soap to be softer, but that's exactly what she wanted. She's my regular. The next step is what's going to turn this your black soap making into a luxury lightening soap. And the ingredient that is going to do that is kojic acid dipalmitate. This ingredient fights hyperpigmentation, fights acne scars. It is your natural active boost. I put a little bit of oil because I already have oil in my formulation. You need oil to melt it. I put that in the double boiler and then now I am mixing it to properly dissolve it. And now it is well dissolved. It's just that there's not a lot of oil inside. And I pour that into our black soap. This is luxury. This soap is luxury. Do you know you can make money from this? People are making money with black soap. This is what I'm showing you for free. You have to mix the black soap very well. You know, I just put an ingredient that is, needs to be well mixed with the soap. Like it makes the soap. So you need to mix it very well to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now I put some fragrance. A few drops of fragrance is okay. Don't pack fragrance. You just see what I did. I just put like 3 drops or 2 drops of the fragrance and that's all. You know I always talk about fragrance here. And then now I put liquid German plus, which is our broad spectrum preservative. After everything is well mixed, this is when to pour rose water. Now, not really mix. You kind of, do what we call like a step down. You kind of, try to, do a step down so the water can also go inside, so it's not on the surface alone. That's what I just did there. And then after that, you cover that with a cling film like this. This my cling film seems to be too small for this wide mouth bowl. So I'm just going to improvise the best way to do it because everything needs to be covered so it can marinate. So that's me trying to, cover it. Yeah. So I'll leave that there for 24 hours. 24 hours later, I think we have ourselves a beautiful luxury black soup. Ah, I love African black soup making. Look at that beautiful soap. Look at that. If you see it, if you put it on your skin, you will be like gold on your skin. If you have acne and dark spot, this is the best soap to remove acne and pimples and get rid of dark spot from your face. This African black soap is very rich and very luxurious, and I recommend it for everyone. It is for all skin type, whether you're light in complexion or you're dark or you have oily skin or you have dry skin. It is good for all skin type. It suits all skin type, acne prone skin, all skin types. This soap is your go-to soap. So look at how it is. No grains, because I don't like all those when you see people pounding soap and then you see they finish pounding and then all grains and everything. So I turned that into the container. Now I made a mess. I'm smarter than this. What is happening with me these days? Yeah, you can use this black soap daily, but preferably at night. Unlike my other black soap video, I said you could use this only 3 times a week. Reason is because formulation technique is different. So she ordered for 1,000 grams, 500 each. That is how she wanted it. She wanted it in 500 containers. And yes, her soap is ready. Yes, and then I still have some soap remaining and I'm so happy. Wait until you see the ladder of the soap because I will always show you everything. Just wait a little bit and you'll see the soap, how it ladders. This soap, you like when you take a little bit of the soap, you can use it. See the tiny soap I carried, right? You will see something now. You see how it ladders. So you might spend money and you think, oh, you're spending money on soap. Oh, that soap is going to last you for months. It's going to last you for months. And the fact that it's lasting you still, beautifying your skin and healing acne and pimples and getting rid of dark spot and removing acne and pimples. So why not? Why not? This is a soap that gives you glass skin. It reverse aging. Why not? Come on now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.